Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smashers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing and latest version of Hyip Lab investment website. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create this kind of Hyip investment website using this Hyip Lab script. So viewers, the main features of this website are: number one, this is the investment website where users can invest in different plans. Second, you will get the feature of staking in this website. And third, you will get the pool features and hold and reinvest options in this amazing Hyip investment website. So let's start this video without wasting much more time, and in this video I will completely show you how you can make this kind of site, and I will give you a complete demo of this website. So viewers, here on the top you can see the home page of this website that you can completely change and edit from admin panel. There is about us section that are completely changeable. Here is a plan section. So let me tell you about the plans on this website. Here you can see this is a basic plan where return is 5%. You will get every year. You can make it fixed or lifetime, it depends on you. Here you can make it for 2 hours. I made it. You will get capital back after the plan ends. Compound interest available. Here hold capital and reinvest option is available. So viewers, let me tell you that most of the people have trust issues, so you can completely trust us. We are completely trustable platform. Here you can see the script is hosted on my subdomain. I just hosted it on my own domain in order to give you the demo of this website. So all of your doubts are should be cleared in this video. So you can also watch our other videos as well on our channel. So you can contact us if you want to buy this script. You can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us on WhatsApp and buy this script from us, and we will provide you complete support with script. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide you the complete website. So you don't need to worry about anything. You can just contact us for more details, and we will provide you all the details about the script. And viewers, here you can see the second plan you will get is you can create simple plans as well, return every hour for lifetime earnings. So you can see that, and here you can see different plans on the website. So I will also show you how you can stake your money on this website. So this is some other section. This is a profit calculator. That is the most amazing option. So users can calculate their profit according to the plan they had invested in. So here is how it works section: create account, invest in plan and get profit, frequently asked questions section. Each and everything section is editable from admin. Here you can list your team member pictures and details. Here you can see the latest transactions. You can see a top investors and worldwide accepted payment gateways. You can insert blogs on this website and subscribers and newsletter section. So let me tell you that complete logo and name, each and everything is changeable from admin. So you should be completely cleared about this, so you have to watch this video till the end, and I hope all of your doubts will be cleared in this video. So if you also want to make this kind of investment website for your clients or for yourself, you can contact us and we will build this site for you. Here's about us section, plan section and blog section, contact us section. So making this site is very easy. So you can also insert any language on the website. So if you want to insert any language, you can insert it from admin panel. I will show you how we'll do it. So this is the login page of this website. You can log in with MetaMask as well, and here you can change this text, whatever you want to change, that is completely editable. Now if you have account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you have to register on the website. So it's completely professional website, each and everything is working. So here you can create your account. So now let's create our account on the website. So I will just enter my username. Here I will enter my username, email. So let me just enter my email. Here you can select your country. So select your any country from here, and you can enter your phone number. Here I will enter my password. So after entering these details, click on I agree and you can register. So I've turned off email verifications, so we can create our account with random details. So let me just enter my first name, last name. So I'm entering these details over here. So you can also turn on or 2FA from admin panel. So currently I have turned that off. So here you can see that you can turn on 2FA. So here you can see you will get deposit bonus of $5. You can see deposit balance, interest balance, total investment, total deposit, withdrawals, referral earning. So you can also use it as a referral marketing website, so you will get level based referrals as well. So here you can see all your latest transactions in this section. So if you have any doubt that it can be also used in mobile view, so it is completely in mobile customization. So mobile users can also easily use this kind of site, so you don't need to worry about anything. Mobile users can also use this site like this, so don't need to worry about anything. Here you have to submit your KYC, so you can submit it from here. So viewers, this is the plan option, so you can go to plan and you can invest in different plans. So here now you can invest in different plans from here, so you can select the plan you want to invest and you can easily invest and schedule your investment. If you need compounding interest, you can do it from here. And viewers, now this is how you can invest in plan. Here you can see, go to my staking option. So this is a staking option, so you can stake now and you can stake your money from here easily. So here you can stake your wallet balance from here. So it has staking option and pool options are available as well. So these are the pool options as well. So you can go to my pools and invest in pools. So you can go to schedule. Here you can go to finance and here is deposit options. So currently website is newly created, so there is no deposit gateway. So I will show you how we can turn it on from admin panel, and be with us and watch this video till the end, and I will completely guide you about this, and we will make our deposit gateways as well. So here is withdraw section, so user can withdraw its money, but first of all user have to verify its KYC, then user can withdraw its money. But you can turn on off KYC from admin panel. Here's transfer balance option, so user can transfer balance from one account to another. So here is transaction, so you can see all your latest transaction. This is the referral section, so all the people you will refer using this link, they will be appeared under your tree over here in this section. Here's account settings, so you can set up your profile from here. So you can change your profile details, you can change your password, you can see your ranking in the section, ranking section. Here you can turn on off 2FA, so you can generate support tickets and you can log out. So I'm currently going to my home page, and now viewers, this is completely about the website overview. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website and I will show you how you can control this website from the admin panel. So viewers, if you want to go to admin panel, so I'll just copy my link from this section and I will paste it here, type /admin after the link, and you will be redirected to your admin panel. So this is the admin panel of this website. So here I have to enter my username and password in order to log in. So I'm entering my details. So now here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel of the website. So viewers, from here you can see the complete details about your website and you can completely control your website from this amazing admin panel. As you can see, there is a dashboard. Here you can see total users, active users, email unverified user, mobile unverified, total deposits on your website, pending deposits, withdrawal charges, rejected withdrawals, total investment, interest, each and everything is here and also explained with the help of graphs as well. So here you can see the notifications of user registration, plan, investment, deposits, etc. You can see all those details from here. So when we go to investment report section, so here you can see all the report about your website and each and everything about your website. You can see view report over here. In this section we can see also graphs. Here is deposit section. So when user will request a deposit, the request will be appeared here in pending deposits and you have to approve it after verifying the deposit. So you can see all the deposit related activities, and I will also show you how we can make the gateways. So this is a withdrawal method. So from here you can approve the withdrawals of user. The request will be same appeared like deposit. Here you can make the withdraw method. So you have to go to add new, and here by filling these simple details you can make a simple withdraw method from here, and user can withdraw using that method. So you can make as many as withdrawal methods you want. From manage users, you can manage all the users on the website. So here you can see the active users on the website. You can go to details, so you can add balances to their account from here. If you want to add balance to users account, so you can manage it from here. So let me just show you. So you can see that $111 are added to user account. So from here you can add balances, and you can also subtract the balances from user's account. It's completely simple. You can log in as user, you can ban the user, you can view and change details of user, and you can verify KYCs of users as well. So you can see all the ban user, email unverified, mobile unverified, KYC unverified, all user related activities are here. You can also send them emails. Here are support ticket options, so you can view the support tickets of users in this section. You can view the all transaction log, login history, notification history, and invest history of website in this section. So from plan manage, you can manage the plan. So when we go to plan manage, so you can see that all the plans that are currently on our website, BTC, USDT, basic, you can edit them and disable them from here. Now if you want to create a new plan, you can simply create a new plan by filling the name of plan. You need range or fixed plan, so you can set them from here. Here you can select the interest type, fixed in USD or in percentage. Here you can select lifetime or repeat for some times. So you can also select capital back or not, compound interest, hold capital, reinvest feature, feature invest here. So you can create a plan simply from here. Here are manage staking options, so you can make the staking plans from here. Currently there is one plan. Now if you want to make other staking plan, you can manage it from here. Here you can see all the staking investments in this section. Here you can manage the pool plans from this section, and you can make a pool plans, fill the simple details, and you can easily make a pool plan from here. And here you can see all the pool investment. Here you can manage the referrals of the website, so you can create as many as referrals you want from here. So it completely depends on you, and you can disable them and enable them. Here is user ranking feature, so you can set the user rankings from here. And here are promotional tools, payment gateway options. So viewers, this is the payment gateway option. So let me tell you, there are 25 plus automatic payment gateways, all worldwide crypto investment, cryptos and other gateways, Perfect Money, Razorpay, Skrill, Paytm, all gateways are available. And you can edit them and just you can use them simply by filling these details. And viewers, if you want to create a manual gateway, let's go to add new. And here from here you can create a manual gateway from here. So I want to create a USDT gateway, so you can simply create from here. So I'm just doing it quickly. And you can set the charges, you can give deposit instructions here like USDT address or whatever instruction you want to give to user. And here you can insert field for TRX ID, and you can field for TRX ID or screenshot upload from here. Here you can insert file extensions, JPG, PNG, whatever extension you want. And from here you can easily make a gateway. So our deposit gateway is ready. So manual gateway is inserted, so you can enable it from here. And now you can view it on your website as well. So here when you go to deposit section, as we come here, before there was no gateway, but now there is USDT gateway. And now you can recharge on the website by filling these details, so by using these details. So here you can see all the details of user. You have to upload the pay on those details and upload the screenshot, and when you will upload screenshot, admin will approve it. So this is how you can make the gateways on the website. There is a general setting options, so from here you can change the name of website, currency of website, so you can use this website in any of your local currency if you want. You can also change the colors, time, deposit bonuses from here. So this is system configuration option, so you can turn on off different settings of the website like email setting, KYC settings. So you can see that I've turned all off email verifications, but you can turn them on off SMS verifications, staking, pool options, all of them from here. So you can set up cron jobs. Here you can manage the logo of the website, and you can insert your own logo. Just select the logo and upload it, and your logo will be updated. Here are all the extensions, so you can use live talks, Google reCAPTCHAs on your website from here. From language option, you can insert new language on the website. Just go to add new, and by filling these details you can add a new language on the website. From here you can manage the SEO of website. From here you can manage the KYC forms from here. These are notification settings, so you can manage the notifications from here. Here are holiday settings, so you can turn on off profits on holidays. Here are many templates. So viewers, here you will get 3 different amazing templates, and 3 of them are paid. You have to buy them. So these are the 3 different free templates that you will get in this website script. so you can update them as well. So now let me just update a new template, and let's go to home page. And here you can see that our template has updated successfully. So it's very simple to update the template. So you can select template and you can easily update the template from here. So you can see that our templates are updated. Now I'll choose my gold template as well. So here you can manage the pages, you can delete them and you can edit them. So this is manage section option, so you can manage each and every section that is on home page. As I already told you, all the sections are customizable. So if you want to customize any section, so you can do it from here. So you can change the images, text, whatever is on the pages, you can change them. So from here you can change the banner, here you can do blog page settings, here you can change the breadcrumb, here you can change the profit calculator text, here you can change the contact page, FAQ page, footer page. Each and everything is customizable on the website, so you can change them from here. So viewers, this is how you can manage all the settings of the website, and you can see, you can turn on off maintenance mode, GDPR cookies, system setting, and you can add custom CSS if you want. Now viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. You can contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp, and you can buy this amazing Hyip investment website script from us. And if you need any type of other design, all type of designs are available. You can contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also comment your thoughts in the comment box, and be happy viewers.